In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock aspect ratio in Affinity Designer. If you've ever resized a photo or an object and it turned out stretched or squashed, this is going to fix that for good. With your Affinity app open on your computer and your document ready, make sure you're looking at the canvas where your image or object sits. This works the same way for placed photos, shapes, logos, or any object that shows a bounding box when selected. Click on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box with handles around the edges. If you don't see those, switch to the Move tool so you can transform it, then click once more to confirm the selection. A quick tip here: aim for one of the corner handles, not the side handles. Corner handles are what you want for proportional scaling that keeps things looking natural. Now, to lock the aspect ratio while you resize, hold the Shift key and drag a corner handle. Keep Shift held down the entire time you drag. You'll notice the image scales up or down without changing its proportions, so circles stay round and people don't look stretched. If you begin dragging and then remember to press Shift, that's okay in most cases, but it's more reliable to press Shift first, then drag. Release the mouse before you release the key to keep the result consistent. If your object seems to snap to angles or positions while you resize, zoom in a bit for finer control and use a corner handle diagonally. If you prefer an alternative, you can hold the Control key and drag your mouse instead. In many setups of Affinity Designer, Control while dragging achieves the same goal of constraining the proportions so the width and height scale together. The same best practice applies here. Grab a corner handle, press Control, then drag smoothly. If you don't see the proportions locking with Control on your system, stick with Shift. Both methods are designed to help prevent distortion, but Shift is the most universal shortcut. A couple of quick reminders as you work. Resizing from a side handle without a modifier will stretch the image horizontally or vertically, which is usually what you want to avoid. Resizing from a corner with the modifier key gives you predictable, clean results. Also, keep an eye on the on-screen dimensions if they appear. Matching numbers change together when the aspect ratio is locked. That's all there is to it. Click to select, then resize with Shift, or use Control as an alternative, and your aspect ratio stays perfectly intact.